Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to improve your website's SEO and land on first page of Google, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how you can leverage the Neuron Writer tool to optimize your content and rank higher in search engine. First thing first, what is Neuron Writer? Neuron Writer is an AI-powered content writing tool that focuses on improving the quality and SEO optimization of your content. Unlike basic content generators, Neuron Writer gives you the ability to create content that not only engaging but also optimized for search engines like Google. It takes into account your target keywords, competitor content, and SEO best practice to make sure your content is top-notch. For example, let's say you're writing a blog about digital marketing. Neuron Writer helps you optimize it by suggesting keywords, headers, and content structure that will make it more likely to rank on Google's first page. First thing to do is keyword research with Neuron Writer. Neuron Writer comes with built-in tools to help you find the right keywords to target for your niche. This is crucial because if you want to rank on Google, you need to know what keywords your audience is searching for. Let's say you're a fitness coach and want to write about weight loss. By using Neuron Writer's keyword research tool, you can discover high-volume keywords like how to lose weight fast, weight loss tips, or best weight loss exercise. Once you have these keywords, you can start optimizing your content around them. And second thing to do is content optimization. Using the AI assistant, once you have chosen your target keywords, it's time to optimize your content. This is where the AI assistant of Neuron Writer really shines. It analyzes your content and compares it with top ranking pages on Google for the target keyword. The AI suggests ways to improve your content, including keyword placement, the right use of headers, and content length. If your target keyword is SEO strategies for beginners, Neuron Writer will analyze top ranking pages and give you suggestions like adding specific related terms such as on-page SEO, backlinks, or keyword research to your content. It will also suggest the right keyword density, meaning how often your target keyword should appear in the content without overstuffing it. And the third one to do is creating SEO-friendly headlines and meta descriptions. Next, we need to focus on making your blog post or web page is SEO optimized from top to bottom. Neuron Writer helps you craft effective headlines and meta descriptions that are not only catchy but also optimized for Google. The headline is your first chance to grab the reader's attention, and a well-crafted meta description can increase your click-through rate. For your blog on how to build an online store, Neuron Writer will help you create an SEO-optimized headings like Top 10 Tips for Building a Successful Online Store in 2025. It will also generate a meta descriptions like Learn the best strategies and tips for building an online store that stands out in 2025. Start your e-commerce journey today. This will help both Google and your audience understand what your content is about. Fourth thing to do is content structuring for readability and SEO. The next step is ensuring your content is easy to read and follows SEO's best practices. Neuron Writer analyzes your content and suggests ways to structure it better for both readability and SEO. It looks at how you use headings, H1, H2, H3, bullet points, images, and other elements that make content more readable. For example, if your article is on how to improve website speed, it may be very long and unstructured. Neuron Writer might suggest breaking it down into smaller sections using bullet points for important tips and adding relevant images or examples. These small changes can make your content more engaging and boost your chances of ranking on Google's first page. And fifth one to do is optimizing for featured snippets. One of the most positions on Google is the featured snippet. This is the box that appears at the top of search results and provides a concise answer to your search query. Neuron Writer helps you optimize your content to increase your chances of appearing in these snippets. If your target keyword is how to bake a chocolate cake, Neuron Writer will suggest structuring your content to answer this query clearly and concisely, like providing a step-by-step recipe in a numbered list format. This makes it easier for Google to extract your content for the featured snippets. Sixth one to do is competitor analysis and content gap identification. Another powerful feature of Neuron Writer is its ability to analyze your competitors' content. The tool compares your content with high-ranking pages for your target keyword and identifies content gaps, areas where your competitors may have missed key points or keywords. If you're writing about digital marketing trends, Neuron Writer will help you identify keywords and topics your competitors are covering. If they are missing something like AI in digital marketing, you can add that to your content, giving you an edge in ranking higher. So now you know how to use Neuron Writer to optimize your website and rank on Google's first page. By doing proper keyword research, structuring your content for SEO, optimizing for featured snippets, and analyzing competitors, you can create content that stands out and drives organic traffic. It's all about creating high quality, relevant, and SEO-friendly content that both Google and your audience will love. If you have found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with fellow marketers or bloggers, and don't forget to subscribe for more SEO tips and tools like this. If you have any questions or need help with using Neuron Writer, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to assist you. See you in the next video.